Hi, boys and girls. This time we're going to be writing words, our spelling words, on a pizza. So follow along with me. After I tell you the word, then you write it yourself. So the first one is at. So we say at. Okay. The next one is an. And if I'm going too fast, remember, you can push the pause button and write the word and then push play and go to the next one. Okay, so the next word is sat. At. Sat. The next word is fan. Oops. Boys and girls, I goofed. Fan. So I was going to write fat. Let's write fat next. At. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can just push pause and then catch up to me. The next word is Dan. 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 The next word is pan. And the last word is pat. Pat. Now it's kind of fun because you can decorate your pizza however you like. So definitely I need cheese on my pizza because I love a good cheese pizza. So I'm going to make these slices have cheese on them. So I'm coloring them yellow. And then maybe like some people in my family really like pepperonis. So I'm going to draw some pepperonis on these slices of my pizza. There's my pepperonis. And my girls really like olives. Do you guys like olives on your pizza? So I would color olives on these two slices because the girls really want those. And then I would definitely color here because we have to have our red pizza sauce, right? Underneath our pepperonis and our olives. And then on our last one, we have, I don't know, let's do cheese on those ones. Let's go over here and we're gonna color, we'll just make these ones, oops, that's not cheese. Oops, here we go. There's more cheese. Because really, at the end of the day, Mrs. Stewart just likes cheese. So you color your pizzas however you want. And good job, boys and girls, writing your spelling words.